Greetings everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will give you a tutorial on how you can automatically upload Reddit posts onto your Discord server. Now you may know that you can do this using a special service known as if this then that, or IFTTT for short. Now that may be good of a choice for many. It is limited by its free version, which only allows up to 3 subreddits and then requires a paid version for another one. As we all know, not everyone, including myself, have enough cash lying around to spend them on such things. Another good alternative that people use is the Me6 Reddit plugin. Although it is quite easier to use than the one mentioned prior, it is quite technically worse than that, as it gives you the opportunity to only allow one subreddit and then requires premium to use another one. So that brings us to the Lolliot bot. Here you can see the Lolliot bot. So now what we are gonna do is invite this to our Discord server. Simply press invite. Choose the server you want it to be on, which in this case is this one. Authorize. I'm not a bot. Now you can close off the tab. Back here on Discord, you can see that the bot is online and ready to be used. For this tutorial, I'll be using the r/history memes subreddit. Simply go to the subreddit you want. For this case, this is this one. Copy this bit. Now type what I type. I know that sounds silly. Just type the following: alert add Reddit, then the name of the subreddit. Click enter. You can see that the alert has been sent. Now whenever a new post has been made on that subreddit, it will be automatically posted here. Let's try this one more time, but now with the Minecraft subreddit. But first, let's make a new channel. I'll call this one channel C. Who knows what's in channel A, but never mind. So here I have created channel C. Simply I will do the same as I did before. But this time, instead of history memes, I'll write Minecraft. As you can see, the reminder has once again been set, and now we gotta wait for the bot to start uploading them. It may take up to 20 minutes or 30 for it to start working properly, but we just gotta wait. We got nothing else to do. Go grab yourself some coffee if you want in the meantime. After about 8 minutes of working, you can finally see that the bot has started to work. This one's the Minecraft one, and the history memes one is working as well. Now, after you watch this, you may ask to yourself, what's the limit? And the answer is, there is no limit. You can do this as many times as you want with as many subreddits as you want. Let me show you. So this over here is my main server. It's still a work in progress, but you can see here that I have set a lot of subreddits, indeed mildly interesting, nostalgic, and some common ones like PewDiePie submissions, memes, gaming, Minecraft, technology. They all seem to be working